la tower nan.
Paunay ka beton pogi, big-biga. Alawang 50 la taro dun, buena mano.
Mga sugi, presyong divisoria lang. Rice cooker, dispenser, electric pan, shampoo, 20, 30 at iba pa.
Gumatang tayo mitlakot mga suki. Baka, talikan, balati, urnay, pasiteryak yan lusog, uri tik-tikim, dalagda.
Bigyan mo lang yan, rice cooker. Ako din, bigyan mo din ako ng isa.
Ay, awan man naglakwak itan. Uy, nagtarakimit lang nga na dito yung alakayin. Kasla na baknang.
Excuse me, are these all handmade?
Ay, English! Yes, sir.
Excellent. I would like to place an order for your products, and here is my list.
Oh, sir, so many. Come back in a few weeks. Kumare! Isagana na kita materyales! Adut porter tayo itakta!
Ang lalais kada kami Tanapat laukam nga agdam Ket nalaglaka nga income Pulpuli kusem tapno nalinis lata
Oh, hello sir, you're back. Your orders are ready, sir. But may I ask, why did you order so many pottery pieces?
My mother was a potter just like you. We didn't have much growing up, but we dreamed of one day building a home filled with pottery. She's gone now, but I promised her I'd make that dream come true. These pieces aren't just pottery to me. They're memories. They are her.
Sir, I'm sure your mother is very proud of you, sir.
Tamiri ang pagragsakan, anya manapan